Imagine a life of unparalleled luxury and tranquility, nestled next to breathtaking natural landscapes with stunning mountain views. Calasparra offers proximity to an array of attractive tourist spots. Visit the Vega del Segura terrace rice fields that Calasparra is renowned for. Explore the ancient caves of the port, experience the thrill of a river descent through the Segura River, or enjoy a peaceful canoe ride. Venture a little further and explore Caravaca de la Cruz, or visit Jumilla Gil Winery, all within 30 minutes drive. The sacred sanctuary of Our Lady and the panoramic Las Lomas viewpoint are both only 8 minutes away. We present to you exquisite, modern, independent villas, meticulously designed for opulent single-floor living. Let's talk about the features that will truly captivate you. Picture yourself basking in the Spanish sun, by your private pool, complete with an outdoor shower. Your garden, a blend of artificial grass and pristine white gravel, is illuminated by enchanting exterior and perimeter LED lighting, creating the perfect ambiance. Your dream kitchen awaits, fitted with a stylish siltstone countertop and front, and fully equipped with an oven, ceramic hob, extractor hood and dishwasher. Everything you need to unleash your inner chef. We've thought of everything. A dedicated laundry room comes complete with a sink, cabinet, washing machine, and a 150-liter aerothermal heater, ensuring effortless daily living. Inside, experience a world of sophisticated comfort. Interior LED lighting casts a warm glow, while TV points in every room and a fiber point in the living room ensure seamless connectivity. Our villas feature double-chamber sliding windows. Each villa boasts 3 double bedrooms with electric blinds that offer effortless control over light and privacy. Two beautifully appointed bathrooms, featuring high-quality sanitary appliances, LED mirrors, and sleek fixed screens. Even the exterior has been meticulously crafted, and with its very own private pool, a generous 24.5 square meters, perfectly nestled within a sprawling 550 square meter plot. A convenient parking space and artificial grass, all enclosed by a perimeter wall with an elegant fence and artificial hedge, offering both privacy and curb appeal. To arrange a viewing, email us at property@whitecoastrealty.com.